Okay guys, Carty and Carty here again guys with part 1 bench test of this Timpano 3000 EQ. Alright guys, so here I changed this 5 power supply MOSFET, which is the 1404, and the gate resistors, which was 10 ohms. And of this side I changed the 4 output MOSFET, and I didn't change anything else. I fixed some traces underneath that was burnt off, and I changed this IC. I replaced this IC, which is the IR4427. Yes guys, I replaced that one, and that's about what I replaced in this amplifier. And I pour it up and it does work guys. So I'm just going to give you guys a little bench test, which I'm gonna have to find on YouTube, non-copyright kind of song was, let's see if I find something guys. Oh man, that's a non-copyright. Let's see guys, find a YouTube non-copyright background music. No, most of them are not, they're really boring guys to me. So let me just turn it like this. Damn. I'm gonna use alright. I see one pop up here now, so no copyright. Let me turn it. Let's see guys, I know I pour it on guys, but I don't know if it plays, so I'll pour it on and I put it up in the chassis. See that guys, that's really funny. I shouldn't have done that. Alright, let's see. Alright, it does pour on. You can see guys, pour light on. And there the speaker make a little sound, so that means it. This is the level. This. Give that guy some more. Let's see if I find anything better. I kinda like this one. Alright guys, so that's it for this little bench test. So that's it for now. Up and running, everything's working fine. See, this fan is working, yes. These two back, or this one back here, and there was a you know screw hole for this guys. I don't know why. I maybe put a fan right here. This power supply must doesn't run really too hot, but I hope it must cool. Alright. So I guess they cool in this transformer right here. And this one really hot. This inductor coil run hot. And the transformer to get some temperature. But there was a shit schools guys, they already have school one here, one there. And another fan. I might put one there guys. I'm thinking about it. So maybe I put one there guys. But I won't make a video, so I'll let you guys know. So please like, subscribe if you like what I see guys, and see you guys in the next one. Alright? Enough respect.